Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create columns in Notion in just a few simple steps. Open Notion and click New Page in the left sidebar to start a blank page. A new untitled page opens in the main editing area. Type a title for your page, in this example I'm using Weekly Planner, then press Enter to move to a new line. The cursor jumps down into the page body ready for your first content block. Type your first block of text, I'll type Tuesday Tasks, then press Enter again to create a second block below it. Type your second block of text. I'm using Tuesday Tasks for this example. You now have two separate text blocks stacked vertically on the page. Click on the second block to select it, then hover your cursor over the left edge until you see the 6-dot drag handle appear. This handle lets you reposition any block by dragging. Click and hold that handle, then drag the block to the right edge of the first block until a blue vertical divider line appears, and drop it there. That blue line shows you exactly where the column split will happen. The second block moves into a new column beside the first one, creating a side-by-side layout. Both columns are now the same width and adjust automatically. Your two blocks now sit in separate columns, and Notion automatically saves the layout. You can drag more blocks into either column to build out your page structure. You can add more columns the same way. Just drag another block to the right edge of an existing column. To remove a column layout, drag a block back out to the left until the blue line disappears. You can also resize columns by hovering between them until you see the resize handle, then dragging left or right. Each column can hold any type of Notion block: text, images, databases, embeds, so you can build complex layouts quickly. And that's how to create columns in Notion. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.